A very good morning, my dear students. Myself Tabassum Hulikatti, Department of Commerce. Okay, so welcome to the next class of mine. Today I am going to discuss with you the remaining things which comes in internal reconstruction. Okay, so in previous class you get to know many things. What is that internal reconstruction, how to alter the share capital, what is the meaning of capital reduction. Okay, in today's class we are going to get to know how to calculate internal reconstruction problems. Okay, so internal reconstruction problems. So my dear students, whenever we are going to calculate internal reconstruction, what we have to do, we have to adjust the capital reduction. We should adjust the capital reduction. So my dear students, here when we are going for the calculation, three things we have to adopt the steps. Okay, we adopt three steps. The first one is what, our calculation of capital reduction. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ कैपिटल रिडक्शन. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कैपिटल रिडक्शन. कैपिटल रिडक्शन मीन्स व्हाट, टू ओवरकम फ्रॉम दी लॉसेस, यानी कि जो हमें लॉस मिल रहा है उसको कैसे ओवरकम करना है या फिर उसको कैसे रिड्यूस करना है. दैट ओवरऑल थिंग्स विल बी कम्स इन व्हाट, अवर कैपिटल रिडक्शन. So my dear students, why we are going to reduce this capital reduction? Why we are going to reduce this capital? Because to overcome from the losses. Okay, so in previous class I discussed with you how we are going to make the capital reduction here. So see, I given some here how to calculate capital reduction. There is my basic formula, not as per the textbook. Just I have written these things. Okay, the first A is what, when only old shares given. Only when old share is given. It means what, when face value of shares are changed. Means what, ನಮ್ದು ಏನು ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐತಿ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಹಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಪೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಡ್, ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ we have to check. So first of all, what we have to take here, equity shares and again preference shares. When we both combine this, it becomes capital reduction. This is the first case. Again one more case is what, when the old and new shares is given. Okay, when old and new shares is given, so old share capital becomes what here, totally debit balance. That is called what, our old share capital. In that what we have to do, we have to less new share capital. Okay, what we have to do here, the new share capital, then only we will get what, our capital reduction. So this is the basic first step which comes in internal reconstruction. Means what, first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, calculation of capital reduction. First what we have to do here in the calculation, first calculation of capital reduction. After getting this capital reduction, what we have to do here, we have to pass the journal entries. नाविली ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ जर्नल एंट्रीज पास ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. सो क्या करना है यहाँ पे, हमें नेक्स्ट स्टेप जर्नल एंट्रीज को पास करना है. नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू पास दी जर्नल एंट्रीज. Okay, how we are going to pass the journal entries. See, the format I have given here in the form of journal entries, that is nothing but serial number, particular, ledgers for debit and credit. Okay, there are totally how many columns are here, totally 5 columns. One is serial number, particular, ledger for debit and credit. Now come to the, in this problem, in this journal entries, the main entries will become 5 entries here. Totally how many entries, 5. The first entry is based on when share capital reduced. When share capital reduced, as per share capital 2 entries will be comes. Okay, one is what here, when share capital reduce, and another one is what here, cancellation of old shares by issue of new shares. Yadu barangilla. When we are passing the journal entries, only one things we have to pass here in the form of share capital. Okay, the next entry must be like on the basis of creditors and the debenture holders. Okay, it means what, when debentures or creditors are converted. means what, यहाँ पे क्या होता है सेकेंड एंट्री में, अगर कोई डिबेंचर होल्डर्स है या क्रेडिटर होल्डर्स है, वहां पे क्या कर रहा है, वो अपने जो शेयर्स है, अपना जो क्लेम है वो सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक वट एवर बैलेंस आर देयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेबिट थिंग्स. ओके, दिस इज द सेकेंड एंट्री. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड एंट्री. The third entry must be based on whatever for apply the credit balance of general reserve प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट प्रॉफिट प्रायर टू इनकॉर्पोरेशन एक्सेट्रा, यानी कि जो भी हमारा क्रेडिट बैलेंस मिल रहा है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जनरल रिजर्व, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट और प्रॉफिट प्रायर टू इनकॉर्पोरेशन, दैट एंटायर थिंग्स we have to taken into what our debit balance, whatever balance we'll get we have to transfers to where, to the capital reduction account. Now come to the fourth entry. The fourth entry is based on whatever for increase in fixed assets, that is nothing but building, machinery, etc. Means if they have given any assets, if they have given when the it means what, when revaluation of assets or liabilities result must be in profit, that time whatever balance is there we have to take into the form of debit. The entire things we should transfer to where, into the capital reduction account. Okay, the last entry for utilization of capital reduction amount means when after calculating each and everything, whatever profit we are getting in capital reduction, that all amount should be set off or write off to reduce the लॉसेस, यानी कि जो भी हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन किया है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिबेंचर, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जनरल रिजर्व, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ असेट्स, whatever we calculated now, each and everything should be transferred to where, into the capital reduction. After getting this capital reduction, what we have to do here, we have to write off all the necessary things in the form of whatever, to profit and loss account, to goodwill account, to preliminary expenses account, to discount on issue of shares, discount on issue of debenture, to machinery account, to patents account. And after paying this all the things, after set offing or after write offing all the things, if anything balance is left, that balance amount should transfers to where, to the capital reserve account. Okay, so my dear student, so basically this general entries is based on how many things here? Totally 5 things. First one is based on share capital, second one is based on creditors and debenture holders, and the third one entry is based on reserve and surplus or profit and loss if credit balance is there, not debit balance. Debit means what? Our losses. If we are getting profit means that we have to make here general entries in the form of what? The profit and loss account or the general reserve. And the next one is whatever, if any assets must be increased, that time we have to pass this entry. And the final, after utilizing all the capital reduction amount, we have to write off this necessary things, that is nothing but whatever, profit and loss account, goodwill, preliminary expenses, discount on issue of shares, discount on issue of debentures, machinery, patents, capital reserve if any balance is left. Okay, this is called whatever, the second step. So my dear students, how many steps I told you in the calculation of internal reconstruction here? First we have to calculate our capital reduction. Okay, first now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, capital reduction calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. After that what we have to do, we have to pass the journal entries. What we have to do here, we have to pass the journal entries. After passing this journal entries, now come to the last one is nothing but what? Our balance sheet. It means what? Problem ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು balance sheet ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಿ. So after passing this, after calculating this capital reduction, after passing this general entries, we will get new things here. That new things we should adjust in what, wherever, in the balance sheet. Where in the balance sheet? This is only called what? Our internal reconstruction. Called what? Our internal reconstruction problems. So my dear students, remember 3 steps. First, calculation of capital reduction. Second one, what we have to do here? Second one is what? Our pass the journal entries. And the last one is what? Our balance sheet. Okay, so this is the calculation which comes in capital reduction, and this is nothing but what? Our journal entries. So see the journal entries. When share capital reduced, when only the share capital is reduced, how to pass share capital account to debtors? To where to transfer? To the capital reduction account. Okay, when both old and new shares is given, how to pass the general entries? Share capital account debtors, which is nothing but our old shares. This entire things we should transfer where? to the share capital account new, that is nothing but new shares we have to take, okay, here. And the next, and the remaining balance where have to transfer to the capital reduction account. Now come to the second entry. For the creditors, debenture holders, etc. are also sacrificing part of their claim. When the creditors and the debenture holders are sacrificing their claims, how to pass the entire balance of their, where we have to take into the debit, that is nothing but creditors accounts to debtor, debentures accounts to debtors, that entire balance transfers to where, to the capital reduction account. Okay, now come to the next one. Is third entry is based on whatever the credit balance of general reserve, profit and loss account, and profit prior to incorporation. If any in problem they have given any general reserve, if they have given any profit and loss account which is nothing but credit balance, the entire things where we have to where we have to take into the debit, and entire things should be transferred into where, to the capital reduction account. Now come to the fourth entry. When the फिक्स असेट्स अमाउंट मस्ट बी इंक्रीज, मीन्स व्हाट, यहाँ पे जब फिक्स असेट्स का अमाउंट जब इंक्रीज होता है तो एंटायरली अमाउंट वेयर वी हैव टू टेक इनटू द डेबिट बैलेंस, एंड द एंटायर थिंग्स वी वेयर हैव टू ट्रांसफर टू द capital reduction account. Now come to the last and the final entries. Now come to the last and the final entries, nothing but what, our capital reduction account. Means whatever calculation we done in the form of share capital, in the form of debentures, जो भी हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया है वो सारा बैलेंस कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर हुआ है, यानी कि कैपिटल रिडक्शन में, यानी कि इतना हमें कैपिटल रिडक्शन अमाउंट यहाँ पे मिल गया है. ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ. ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ लॉस सिखाती, जहां जहां हमें लॉस मिल रहा है वहां पे हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, राइट ऑफ और सेट ऑफ करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज ओनली कॉल्ड वॉट अवर फॉर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ कैपिटल रिडक्शन अमाउंट. ओके, सो वेयर वी हैव टू राइट ऑफ दिस to profit and loss account if that is nothing but the loss balance. Okay, and to goodwill account, to preliminary expenses account, to discount on issue of shares account, to discount on issue of debentures account, to machineries account, to patents account, to capital reserve. If anything balance is left after after you write off this all the things, if any balance is left, where we have to transfer this to the capital reserve account. This is only nothing but what, our the journal entries which comes in where, into the internal reconstruction. So my dear students, as per balance sheet, you know how to calculate the balance sheet. When we after calculating this both things, automatically we will get our new balance sheet here. Okay, so my dear students, in coming classes we are going to get to know how to calculate the problems, okay, which comes in internal reconstruction. Okay, so my dear students, if you have any problem you can ask me in my comment section, so I'll inform you. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot, thank you so much. So my dear students, so in this class we'll get to know how to calculate the capital reduction, journal entries, and the balance sheet. In the coming classes we are going to get to know. So in today's class we know how to calculate capital reduction and how to pass the journal entries. So my dear students, in coming classes we are going to get to know how to calculate internal reconstruction problem. So my dear student, see you in next class. Thank you so much.